Gala Games at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after an aggressive bounce to the upside from the lows that we made on the 30th of December in a move that has now peaked above the 0.04464. We have also continued to obey the additive structures, and on today's update video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, where we started a very nice bounce to the upside and we picked in a 5-wave structure, having these as the wave 1. So a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then continued pushing higher in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.067, and that 5-wave structure to the upside completed the formation of this larger additive count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1 in a move that gave me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the 78, and that was between the 0.0482 and the 0.02798, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts using this yellow target area, an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And for us to get a confirmation that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, I have been expecting an initial 5-wave structure to the upside to confirm that we have a low in place. And at the time of this recording, I believe that we have seen the formation of this wave 1, seen a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment could be a bounce in the formation of this wave 3 before we can see a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of this additive count 5. And if that is the case, then we need to see another breakout to the upside, get a break above the 0.048, which is our next key area of resistance, to fully maximize my minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3, which can be given using the Fib extensions, connecting the Fibs from the low that we made on the 20th of Dec to the high above the 0.04094, then dragging the Fibs to the lows that we have down here. And that gives me a minimum target area at the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.05168, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. So there are high chances that we can get another bounce back and fully maximize that target area above the 0.05. We also need to have in mind that these can also turn out to be much of a corrective structure, that is an ABC corrective structure, and that should be followed by another impulse to the lower side. And using the Fibonacci's, we can be able to identify key areas of supports that we can pay attention to by connecting the Fibs from the lows that we made on the 30th of Dec to the high above the 0.44, the 0.04463, and that gives me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the 618, which is an area that we can pay attention to, and that is between the 0.03896 and the 0.03762. So in case of any breakdown moves, pay attention to this key area over here, because if by any chance we lose this key area of support, then further breakdown moves can play out in the next coming days in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows we made on the 30th of December. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.